Have you ever felt nervous or confused at the airport because of your English? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, you'll join Leo and Lana as they meet at the airport and have a real conversation, using simple, useful English phrases for travel. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and try to answer some questions along the way. Ready? Let's learn English together at the airport.
Excuse me, are you flying to New York?
Yes, I am. Flight DL419, right?
Exactly. I'm on the same flight. I just wanted to make sure I'm at the right gate.
Yes, this is the right place. Gate 23. We still have about an hour before boarding.
That's good. I like being early at the airport. By the way, my name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. I'm Lana.
Nice to meet you too, Lana. Are you traveling for business or vacation?
I'm going for vacation. I'm visiting my cousin in Brooklyn. What about you?
I have a business meeting, but I'll also stay for a few extra days to see the city.
That's great. New York has so much to see. Museums, parks, shows. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me this time. I booked my ticket last week. Did you book your flight online too?
Yes, I used the travel website. It was easy and quick. I even selected my seat, a window seat.
Oh, lucky you. I got a middle seat. I wanted the aisle, but they were all taken.
Yeah, it's better to book early if you want a good seat. Did you bring any checked luggage?
Just one suitcase. I dropped it off at the baggage drop counter earlier. Did you bring a big bag?
Nope, just my carry-on. It fits under the seat. It's easier and faster this way. No need to wait at baggage claim.
True, but I always pack too much. Oh, and don't forget, we need to show our passports at the gate.
Yes, I already passed passport control. They asked me a few questions like how long I'm staying and where I'll stay.
Me too. They were nice but serious. It's important to be polite and answer clearly.
Exactly. So, do you like flying?
Not really. Takeoff and landing make me a little nervous.
I understand. I used to be scared too, but now I enjoy it. I just bring snacks, music, and watch movies. It helps.
I downloaded a few podcasts and a documentary to watch. What's your favorite thing to do on a flight?
I like reading and sleeping, but sometimes I talk to the person sitting next to me, if they want to talk.
I'm usually quiet, but today I found a nice travel buddy.
Thanks. So, what's the first thing you'll do when you arrive?
Probably check in at the hotel and take a shower. Then I'll go out for a walk and maybe try some street food.
Yum! Try a New York hot dog or pizza slice. It's part of the experience.
Good idea. Do you think we'll have food on the plane?
Usually, they serve a small meal and drinks on long flights. You can choose between chicken or pasta, something like that.
I hope it's good. And I brought gum. It helps with ear pressure during takeoff.
Smart! I also drink lots of water on flights to stay hydrated. Flying can make you feel tired and dry.
That's true. Have you ever had jet lag?
Yes, once. It's when your body feels tired because of the time difference. It helps if you sleep on the plane and avoid naps when you arrive.
Thanks for the tip. Oh, did you fill out a customs declaration form?
Not yet. I think they'll give us one on the plane. We just need to declare anything we're bringing into the country.
Right. I'm not carrying anything special, just clothes, a laptop, and my work papers.
Same here, just personal stuff and gifts for my cousin.
By the way, how do you usually get from the airport to the city?
I use a taxi or an airport shuttle. Sometimes I book in advance online. It's easier that way.
Makes sense. I might try the subway. I heard it's cheap and fast.
It is, but it can be crowded. Just watch your bags.
Will do. Thanks. Oh, look, they just announced boarding starts in 15 minutes.
Perfect timing. Let's get a quick coffee before we go to the gate.
Yes, I need some energy before the flight. Thanks for the nice chat, Lana.
You're welcome, Leo. Maybe we'll sit near each other on the plane.
Hope so. Have a great flight.
You too.
Congratulations! You just completed a full English conversation about travel and the airport. Great job! You learned how to talk about flight information, checking in, luggage and carry-ons, security checks, boarding, food and drinks on the plane, customs and jet lag, travel plans and seat preferences. These are all common topics when traveling, and now you know how to use real English phrases in these situations. Useful travel words. Word meaning. Flight, a journey by plane. Check-in, registering for your flight and getting your boarding pass. Boarding pass, a ticket that shows your seat and allows you to enter the plane. Carry-on bag, a small bag you take with you on the plane. Luggage / baggage, suitcases or bags you bring on a trip. Security check, the process where airport staff inspect passengers and bags. Gate, the area where you wait to board the plane. Customs declaration, a form to report what you're bringing into another country. Jet lag, tiredness after flying across time zones. Passport control, a place where officers check your passport before travel. Common airport phrases. What time is your flight? To ask when someone is flying. Did you check in already? To ask if someone registered for their flight. Where is the boarding gate? To find your gate. Are you traveling for business or vacation? To ask about someone's reason for travel. I have a window seat. To say where your seat is. How long is the flight? To ask about flight duration. My flight is on time. To say your flight is not delayed. I booked my flight online. To explain how you got your ticket. Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after Leo and Lana. Try saying the phrases out loud, or write your own airport conversation using these words and phrases. Please, if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more English lessons. Leave a comment. Where would you like to travel next? Thanks for watching and have a safe flight.